Ever felt overwhelmed or you doubted yourself? There are so many doubts that creep into the mind of IIT JEE aspirants. Many students think, what if I'm not smart enough to crack JEE? All right, how can I crack JEE when no one in my family has ever done it? And there are so many the list goes on. And I'm pretty sure that if your self-doubt is not in this list, then maybe you can comment and tell us that what kind of self-doubt you are having. But students, I'm here to tell you a very important thing. You are way more stronger than what you think of yourself. I assure you of that your abilities are stronger than you think. You have it in you to overcome these self-doubt and then perform well in the examination. I'll tell you that what you need to do to overcome these self-doubt. All right. So the first thing, forgive yourself for the past. You might have done few things in the past that were not very good for your preparation. You may have wasted a lot of time. You may have got distracted. You may have bunked the classes. You might not have listened to your teacher. You may not have prepared the notebooks as how they should be prepared. But do not let that baggage bog you down now. All right. What happened has already happened. It has already transpired. With our current knowledge, at least we don't know how to go into the past and change the past, so we can't do it. So just forget about it and start looking ahead. Look to utilize the time that is left with you. Ensure that now you are not repeating the mistakes that you have committed. Then the next thing you need to do, share your doubt with your mentor. All right, there must be a mentor. It might be a teacher, it might be an elder brother, might be your parents, someone from your school, someone who would be guiding you in this JEE journey, and someone who you trust and someone who cares about you. You tell them about your self-doubt, because talking really helps. Discussing things, let your emotions out. All right, speak to your mentor. This conversation will definitely bring about a positive change in you. So that is the second thing that you need to do. The third thing that you need to do, you need to, guys, shift your mindset. What does that mean? So if you doubt yourself now, you think about, if no one has done it in my family, how can I do it? Well, the other way to look at it is that if no one has done it in your family, you will be the first one to do it, right? So that is the shift in mindset that you need to achieve. Like, the thing that you look upon as a challenge might just be the opportunity. All right. So next time, if you have this doubt that, can I do this? No, instead you think, I can do this. So this shift of mindset is very much needed, guys, because whatever you think, so shall you become. So keep your mindset positive. All right. And now let's come to the action items. Like, these are the things which are more like psychology related. When it comes to action items, you need to plan your studies well, because fear will not take you anywhere, guys. All right. The self-doubt, that will not take you anywhere. So once you are in the right mindset, then plan your study well. And I've taken a session on this where I've told you how you can break down your micro goals. You make a to-do list, and finally, and most importantly, you need to stay consistent, and you need to keep pushing yourself, guys. Don't give up. All right, that's the mantra that you all should follow. Stay consistent. Don't give up. The ones who don't give up in this journey, they are the ones who actually cross those IIT gates. All right. The key factor is not to give up. If you don't give up, you'll be there. I promise you that. All right, students. I hope this small talk helped you a bit. It will help you a bit. I'll be back again with some more talks and motivations. Take care.